Oh, still not. There we go, nice snap that. We're doing an accommodation vlog today, and it's going to take you around Student Village, Frenchay Campus, Flat 402 Quantock, Room 2 if you want to be really specific about everything. And we're going to try and keep this snappy, short, show you guys in detail what every room has, what the communal area looks like, and that should hopefully answer any questions that you guys might have, because I know for a fact before I moved here I had quite a few questions about what accommodation would look like. So let's start off with what you'll find in a typical Student Village room. You have a single bed, obviously an ensuite bathroom, which if you're like me, you might prefer an ensuite bathroom that has a shower, a sink, a mirror, and of course a toilet. And then the rest of the room has 2 sets of drawers, plenty of room, a closet with some shelves inside. There's some shelves on top of the desk. The desk itself is nice and big. I mean, I can fit a printer, 2 monitors, and a PC on here and still have room to draw, write, do anything else. And apart from that, the room's pretty much covered. You have a window with curtains. If you're like me and you live on the ground floor, there's a sort of mesh which gives you like a nice little bit of privacy. And for the winter, there's also a little radiator in here. And yeah, so that's it really. It's just a nice little room. I mean, I didn't have any complaints throughout the year living here. It's big enough. I never really thought that I didn't have enough space. But let's really sort of take a look at the communal area. So if you're living in Student Village, you will be living with 6 other people, and you share the communal area, which yeah, let's go have a little walk over there and see what it's like. So in the communal area, which doubles as a kitchen and sort of a lounge and almost like a living room, you will find 2 ovens, 2 cookers, which we've never run into issues with too many people trying to use the kitchen at once. Of course, there's a sink, a kettle, a toaster, and essentially enough room for there to be 1 cupboard for every person, and then there's still being enough cupboards and drawers left over for general things like pots and pans. There's a sort of table here, 6 stools, 1 for every single person. Some flats have a little sofa, some flats have this sort of little bench going on, and we throughout the year put a TV in here, and it just sort of becomes a bit of a social hangout area. Like, that's the whole point of the communal room. So in the pictures here, in the video, you can see what it's like. It's well lit. You can close the curtains. You can open the windows. It was never really too hot in the summer. It didn't get too cold in the winter when the radiator was on. And that sort of covers what you'll find in a room in Student Village. So I hope this gives you a good idea of what to expect if you have chosen Student Village as your accommodation, or if this helps you make the choice.